Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I want to start this video by sending you over and showing you a really amazing channel that I've been following for around a year. Little bit of everything with Julisa's channel. Really amazing person, really genuine person, and she does DIYs and shopping hauls. So if you have not went to her channel and subscribe, please go right now because you are missing a lot of good things. Like I said, subscribe to her channel, hit the bell for notifications, and you will see amazing content that she posts every week. With that being said, let's get to the video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken noodle soup. Something very easy and cheap to make. A recipe that I would recommend for you to make during the fall and winter time. First thing you are going to do, you are going to get 10 cups of water, a whole container of chicken broth, and you're going to put this on a pan and set that aside. After that, you are going to chop your vegetables. And we are going to be using parsley, celery, carrots, and onions. We're also gonna go ahead and saute these ingredients. Once you already finish sauteing the ingredients, you are gonna set the bowl with the water and the chicken broth in the stove, and you're gonna add chicken breast, 4 chicken breasts that I'm using today. And also, you are going to add all the vegetables that you have already cut. Don't forget to add a little bit of salt. Not too much because you don't want to make it too salty, because the chicken broth have already salt in it. Once the pan and the chicken and all the vegetables is already boiling, now you are going to add a couple of extra ingredients that are going to make this recipe amazing. A tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of garlic powder, and a tablespoon of oregano. When these ingredients are already boiling and the chicken is already ready, you're gonna take out the 4 pieces of chicken breast out of the pan. And now you're gonna add the noodles. I'm using these beautiful, amazing noodles. What you are wanting to do with the chicken breast is that you are going to start taking them apart. And I'm using a lot of chicken because I like my chicken noodle soup with a lot of chicken in it. And this is the way you are going to start taking. You're going to be using 2 forks. And you're going to start doing this, what I'm doing right now, to take the chicken all apart. Once you have all the chicken ready, you already have taken apart, what you are wanting to do is that you are going to go and see how the noodles have already boiled, they're already soft. And after that, you are want to start adding the chicken to this amazing recipe. And look how beautiful this look. And the smell that this have, I cannot even explain it to you. You're gonna move all around to incorporate the chicken, the noodles, the vegetables, so everything can combine and come together at the same time. Once you have already stirred everything on the pot, now you want to add a little bit of parsley. That is going to add a really nice touch to this recipe. You're going to stir slowly. And you're going to let it boil after you have everything, the chicken breast, the parsley, the vegetables, you're gonna let it boil for around 5 to 10 minutes more. And look how amazing this looks. And these are the end results for this recipe. Guys, this is an amazing recipe, full-time winter recipes, something that you can make at home. Is very easy, very cheap. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're new, also subscribe. I will see you next time with another recipe on Broth Kitchen.